Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin pairing immediately. First, place the Apple TV within 3 meters of the new remote and remove any case. Make sure the Apple TV is powered on and showing the home screen so it can receive signals. Once done, keep the old remote nearby only if you need to move through menus. Otherwise, focus on the new remote. You're creating a clear radio path and confirming the device is awake. This reduces dropped pairing attempts and speeds the process. Now you'll actively pair. Hold the remote a few centimeters from the Apple TV's front sensor so infrared and Bluetooth can initialize. Press and hold the back or menu plus volume up buttons for 5 to 7 seconds. This combination triggers pairing mode. As you press, watch the on-screen animation. Apple TV displays a linking graphic and a confirmation prompt when it detects the remote. Make sure to release only after seeing the prompt, because early release can abort the handshake. Finish by selecting Pair on screen if prompted, or simply wait. Apple TV often confirms automatically when the link is established. If pairing fails, restart the Apple TV and retry within 3 meters, or replace the remote battery and try again. These steps resolve most issues by clearing temporary radio conflicts. Finally, go to Settings, Remotes and Devices to verify the new remote or unpair any old remotes. This ensures you don't have multiple controllers competing for control.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.